follow some breaking news tonight. Two law firms are now seeking legal action against a Greenville County-based cheer and dance school alleging sexual misconduct. The lawsuits come a week after the Greenville County Coroner's Office told 7 News the gym's founder killed himself. 7 News reporter Chloe Salsameda is live right now. She's outside Rockstar Cheer's gym in Greer with what we know. Chloe.
Yeah, Amy, Scott Foster and his wife founded Rockstar Cheer 15 years ago, and there are locations across the country, but they started right here in Greenville County. Rockstar Cheer will be at the center of 2 lawsuits. 2 South Carolina firms announced they plan on taking legal action against the gym. In a statement, the McGrath law firm said they have information about the troubling history of Scott Foster and Rockstar Cheer and are conducting a thorough investigation for numerous cheerleaders, including claims of underage drinking and sexual misconduct. Meanwhile, Strom law firm states they're representing multiple victims and are looking into incidents that date back 20 years at Rockstar Cheer and Varsity Spirit. The firm also alleges Foster was the subject of a multi-jurisdictional investigation by the Department of Homeland Security for allegations of sexual misconduct. We reached out to the department. They tell us they're unable to say if a person is under investigation. Last week, Foster was found dead in a car in a parking lot at Paris Mountain State Park in Greenville. The coroner's office says they're investigating his death as a suicide. The nonprofit group, Julie Valentine Center, tells us when investigations involving allegations of sexual misconduct or abuse are publicized, it can be triggering for victims.
The reality is that most individuals who have been sexually abused are abused by someone they know, they love, and they trust.
Shauna Galloway Williams is the CEO of the nonprofit. She says many victims never speak out about their abuse.
Anytime that there is someone who's in a position of power or authority, that relationship dynamic makes it even more difficult for children to tell.
She encourages parents to talk with their children and reminds victims it's never too late to speak out or seek help.
Abuse is never the fault of the victim. It's always the responsibility of the person that committed the act. I would tell parents it's important to believe and support your child. It's not your job to question whether this happened to them.
Now, one of the law firms that we mentioned will be hosting a press conference tomorrow, and just in the last hour, a statement was released saying the other Rockstar Cheer gyms across the country will be dropping the name and rebranding in light of the accusations. Live in Greenville County, Chloe Salsameda, 7 News.